Good day everyone. In today's video, we will explain about chemical engineering. Firstly, welcome to Get to Know Chemical Engineering. So, what is chemical engineering? Chemical engineering is someone who oversees large industrial scale processes. It is a certain type of engineering which deals with study of operation and design of chemical plants as well as methods of improving the production. The most common job title for a chemical engineer is a process engineer or process development engineer. Chemical engineering is all about changing raw materials into useful products. For example, from limestone into glass, from crude oil into plastics. Chemical engineering has only 10% chemistry and the other 90% is physics and math. If you like chemistry, chemical engineering is probably not for you. But if you want to try, why not? Now, there are a wide range of career opportunities for chemical engineers that they can go into. They can go into the biotechnology and pharmaceutical industry where they can redesign the facilities that used enzymes and microorganisms to create new drugs. Next is environmental engineering, in which they use the principles of engineering, soil science, biology, and chemistry to develop solutions to environmental problems. You can work in industrial chemicals. For example, design the process of the production of chemicals like detergents, soaps and cosmetics. You can also work in food production. We can take the wine industry as an example. Even in school we used to do a simple lab experiment for ethanol production. But in chemical engineering, we have to design the process for a bigger scale of wine production. You must not be confused between chemists and also chemical engineers. Chemists focus on reactions on a smaller scale and they have a much deeper understanding of the reaction. They are the ones who design a new type of medicines for a specific disease or even detergents and soaps. Chemical engineers are the ones who scale up the process where they will design the plant. Some chemical engineers do work in a lab, but usually they work in large-scale plants and reactors. The entry requirement for chemical engineering course for diploma, you have to get a minimum of 2.00 CGPA. For STPM students who want to continue their degree in this course, they have to pass with at least grade B in additional mathematics or advanced additional mathematics, chemistry and physics or biology. And for matriculation students, they have to get a minimum CGPA of 2.75 and pass all of the major subjects. Their mathematics, chemistry, physics or biology also must get a minimum of grade B. There are many universities offering chemical engineering courses that you can get into, such as UKM, UTP and also UITM. For UITM students who take chemical engineering courses for their diploma, they have to study for 6 semesters. UITM that offer diploma chemical engineering is in Johor, Terengganu and also Sarawak. For the degree program, UITM offers 2 types of courses, which are chemical engineering and chemical engineering environment. Both courses are 8 semesters but at a different location, where chemical engineering is in Shah Alam and chemical engineering environment is in Pulau Pinang. The subjects that you will be learning in a chemical engineering environment are solid waste and air pollution control, environmental lab, environmental impact assessment and management, and wastewater treatment. These are the additional subjects that you have to take if you want to join a chemical engineering, environment, course. Environmental engineering will provide a better environment to give healthy air, water and land to rehabilitate polluted areas. They work to improve recycling, waste disposal, public health in water and air pollution control. They invent something such as biodiesel and solar energy to reduce pollution and address global issues such as unsafe drinking water, climate changes and environmental sustainability. As an environmental engineer, you can work in various types of areas. You can work as an air pollution control engineer, soil engineer, pollution control engineer, waste treatment engineer, petroleum engineer, nuclear engineer and many more. A person working as a chemical engineer in Malaysia typically earns around 6,710 Malaysian ringgit per month. The salaries range from 3,090 Malaysian ringgit, which is the lowest, to 10,700 Malaysian ringgit, the highest. Chemical engineer salaries vary drastically based on experience, skills, gender, or even location. Experience level is the most important factor in determining the salary of a chemical engineer. Naturally, the more years of experience, the higher your wage. A chemical engineer with less than 2 years of experience makes approximately 3,510 Malaysian ringgit per month, while someone with an experience level between 2 to 5 years can earn 4,680 Malaysian ringgit per month. Moving forward, an experience level between 5 to 10 years land a salary of 6,920 Malaysian ringgit. The highest salary would be the employees with more than 20 years of professional experience. They will get a salary of 9,960 Malaysian ringgit per month.